Simple yoga for fast weight loss. For a larger percentage of people, exercise comes down the list of one's priorities. There is always warning from the medical fraternity that today's sedentary lives, overeating and eating junk foods blended with modernization led to nutritional disorders and chronic ill health irrespective of age group. Such faulty lifestyle causes many health hazards like obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, backache, spondylitis, constipation, indigestion, acidity etc. The common mass, especially in the urban agglomerations, are more prone to get engulfed in lifestyle-related disorders, which directly or indirectly lead to weight gain. Here, the question of weight loss comes first. There are many simple yoga asanas are available which can be practiced as weight loss solution. If we eat too much, however, the extra food turns to fat and is stored in our bodies. If we overeat regularly, we gain weight, and if we continue to gain weight, we may become obese. Obesity complications. Weight loss and reducing fats from buttocks, hips, abdomen and waist should be given utmost priorities before facing severe complications due to weight gain. The risk factors associated with obese person are hypertension, diabetes, hypertriglyceride, low HDL cholesterol, coronary artery disease, cerebrovascular stroke, cancer, gallbladder disease, renal failure, NIDM, atherosclerosis, heart failure, gynecological problems, dyslipidemia, and stroke. 9 Amazing yoga for weight loss. Weight loss means burning of adipose tissue, fatty layer, from buttocks, hips, abdomen, waist and other fat-bearing body parts. To make the body slim and trim, various yoga asanas and yoga postures are recommended to melt the body fat. The different yogic poses help to burn fat by its physio-biochemical mechanism. Here, some of the best yoga exercises are given which directly act on the specific body parts, thereby shed fat from the respective region. 1. Hips fat loss with yoga. How to reduce hips fat is worrying a large section of the population. To burn the hips fat through yoga, Hastattanasana, an upstretched arms posture is recommended and practiced. How to do Hastattanasana. Stand on a flat surface with feet together. Inhale and raise arms over the head by interlocking the fingers. While exhaling, bend to left side of the waist and hold the position as long as one can do. Came to the original position by inhaling. The same procedure is followed with the right side. Benefits of Hastattanasana. Hastattanasana is good in melting of fat of hips and buttock, thus contributes in weight loss. It is beneficial for waist slim and chest expansion. Hastattanasana is also recommended to increase height for children. 2. Lose abdominal side fat with yoga. Practicing Ardhachakrasana on regular basis helps to burn fat from the sides of the abdomen. How to perform Ardhachakrasana. One should stand on the flat surface with feet together. Bend the elbows and support lower back with the palms. Bend backward while exhaling and try to maintain the position. Came to the original position by inhaling. Benefits of Ardhachakrasana. Ardhachakrasana helps to remove fat from the abdominal side of the body and good yoga to overcome body weight gain. This asana is good for neck and back muscle. It provides suppleness and removes stiffness from hip joints. 3. Burns waist fat through yoga. If somebody wants to reduce fat from her waist region and desire to give waist a slim look, it is better to prefer yoga. The yoga pose that is effective in shedding waist fat is Parsvakonasana. One should have practiced on regular basis to get better result. Technique of Parsvakonasana. Initially be stand erect. Make a gap of 1 meter between the legs and bend the right foot at knee at 90 degree while the left foot should be stretched at 60 degree. Exhale and bend from the waist to the right side and place right palm on the floor by the inner side of the right foot. Try to hold the posture as long as you feel comfortable. Do the same with the other legs. Benefits of Parsvakonasana. Parsvakonasana is good to reduce fat from waist, thighs, arms and hips. It is one of the good yoga asanas to lose weight. It improves the flexibility of hips and pelvic joints. It eases constipation and indigestion. Even the diabetics can find this asana useful as it exerts a good amount of pressure on the pancreas also. It is also beneficial for cardiac muscles and improves digestion. 4. Abdominal fat burning with yoga. Dissolving abdominal fat is an easy task through yoga. Ustrasana is one of the best asanas, which is beneficial in reducing of stomach fat. How to do Ustrasana? Camel pose. Kneel down on the floor and stand on the knees. Bend backward with inhaling. While exhaling, place the right palm on right heel and left palm on the left heel, and thighs will be vertical to the floor and head tilted backwards. Balance the weight evenly by the arms and legs. Advantages of Ustrasana. Ustrasana is extremely beneficial in reducing fat of abdomen, thus helps in weight loss. Ustrasana is effective in improving flexibility of spine. It enhances lung power. It helps to set the dislocated navel right. It is also beneficial in case of asthma, type 2 diabetes, flatulence and constipation. It can increase height in growing children. Ustrasana is useful for defective eyesight, back pain and neck pain. 5. Waist fat burning yoga technique of Nakasana. Lie down on the flat surface on the back. Make straight yourself. Raise your entire body with inhaling at an angle of 30 degrees except your buttock. Try to maintain this position as long as possible. Come down with exhaling. Benefits of Nakasana. Nakasana is beneficial in reducing fat from the waist, thereby helpful in weight loss. Nakasana tones the kidney and exert pressure on the gastric glands to release more and more gastric juices. Ardha Nakasana is beneficial in case of cervical and back problems. Nakasana helps in managing indigestion, constipation. It is also good for diabetic patient. It provides great flexibility in the neck, spine, stomach and back muscles. Nakasana tones up sluggish bowels and can prevent hernia.